Hello, my name is Kang Do. I am the president and CEO of BioVie, trading on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BIVI. I'm here today to share with you some exciting progress on our development programs. First is our work in Alzheimer's disease. We reported out in a small exploratory phase 2 study that patients treated with our drug candidate NE3107 for 3 months experienced a reversal of the cognitive decline in Alzheimer's. Now, this is very different from what you may have seen from the drug that was recently approved by the FDA for Alzheimer's. That drug slowed the cognitive decline in Alzheimer's, not a reversal. NE3107 reversed the cognitive decline. In addition, the drug showed that it was able to reduce phospho-tau, which is a biomarker looked after by Alzheimer's researchers, as well as it showed improvements in brain scans. In Alzheimer's, we have a phase 3 trial currently underway. That trial is fully enrolled at this point, and we expect to have top-line data readout in October. And based upon what we saw in the phase 2, we are cautiously optimistic for what we expect to see in October of this year. Moving on to our second program, which is in Parkinson's. We recently provided top-line results from our phase 2 trial, which excitedly showed that the combination of 3107 with the standard of care, which is a drug levodopa, helped patients retain motor control when they wake up in the morning. This is significant in that many Parkinson's patients complain that when they wake up in the morning, they have sore muscles and have difficulty getting out of bed. And that's because the drug levodopa has worn off overnight. And in our trial, 6 out of 20 patients treated with the combination of NE3107 and levodopa had no trouble getting up out of bed, whereas none of the patients treated with just levodopa alone can do so. And this was statistically significant, and this condition that we're talking about is typically referred to as being in the on state or morning on state. Based upon this finding, we are now planning to initiate our phase 3 trial for Parkinson's, and we hope to have that up and running by June of this year. And lastly, let me turn to our work in ascites, which is a condition associated with late-stage liver disease. When patients get to this point, there is typically greater than 50% mortality rate in 12 months, and there is no approved therapy to treat refractory ascites. And that's where our drug candidate BIV201 comes in. BIV201 is a novel formulation of a drug called terlipressin. We are midway through a phase 2B trial, but we have decided to pause the trial because we already have statistically significant data showing that BIV201 could help reduce ascites fluid buildup. And because the unmet need is so great, we believe that this is the prudent thing to do to pause the trial and to initiate conversations with the FDA now so that we can move directly to a pivotal registrational phase 3 trial. So in summary, I believe BioVie has the most exciting portfolio in pharmaceuticals today. In NE3107, we hope to have the first truly effective therapy for Alzheimer's disease. Also in NE3107, we hope to have the first new therapy to treat Parkinson's since the introduction of levodopa 50 years ago. And in BIV201, we hope to have the first new therapy to treat ascites. So please go to our website at biovipharma.com to learn more about our work. Thank you.